Let's say you receive the gift and you think you know what's inside, either a new phone or a puppy. Now let's say that you're about to open that gift. Until you do, you're never really sure what's inside. But what you do know is that it's either the phone or the puppy, and even if you don't open it, it's still gonna be one or the other, right? What if I told you that it's actually both? In 1935, Austrian physicist Erwin Schrödinger devised a thought experiment involving the fate of a cat. He imagined placing the cat inside a sealed box along with the radioactive poison that would kill it within the next hour. Now, normally you would think that the cat would either be alive or dead, but Schrödinger proposed that up to the point of opening the box, the cat is actually both. This principle is better known as quantum superposition. Superposition suggests that any quantum object can be in two or more solid states at the same time until it is viewed by a conscious observer. This principle was derived from analyzing an object at its most basic level, an endless cluster of subatomic particles. Because we are made up of atoms and electrons, which are known to have wave-particle duality, superposition actually exists in the most fundamental way possible. This duality allows the existence of multiple certainties that matter can be in both everywhere and nowhere. That is until we open the box of reality. Now, for the cat, there can be two possible realities. Either it notices the poison and dies, or it doesn't and stays alive. Until then, it is an equal mixture of alive and dead, and we, as the conscious observer, force nature to make its decision by opening the box. But this raises a very important, confusing question. Who's observing us? What force is driving us to make decisions? Is it possible that because of superposition, we exist in different realities? Or are we on a fixed timeline that automatically sorts each scenario to one solid state? Is there a godlike force that controls our fate? Or is the cosmos just one collective cat in the box? We live in a universe of certainties and uncertainties. Quantum physics in general is fascinating because it is so uncertain, we can factually say anything is possible. We can be both everything and nothing, living and dead. This was how earlier scientists understood the subject, and Schrödinger actually proposed this experiment to mock them. What's funny though is that this experiment never existed. No one knows if it actually happened, so it's crazy how something that didn't even exist may have given life to the nature of our universe. At the end of the day, we get to live our lives, regardless of why or how that even happens. Sometimes life can be so crazy and confusing and weird, but when has it been easy? Until then, I'll just be grateful someone got me a gift